Hello, welcome in. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS exam 1. For question number 99 and 100, there is a common statement, and the statement is consider the following for the next two items that follow. In the following figure, a triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center at O. Let angle POA is equal to X degree and angle OQB is equal to Y degree. Further, OB is equal to BQ. Question number 99 is what is the relation between X and Y? Option A, X is equal to Y. Option B, 2X is equal to 3Y. Option C, X is equal to 3Y. Option D, 3X is equal to 4Y. And question number 100 is if Y is equal to 15, then what is angle ACB equal to? Option A 30 degree, option B 40 degree, option C 45 degree, and option D 60 degree. Here this is the given figure. Here it is given that OB is equal to BQ or BO is equal to BQ. So in this triangle OBQ, this angle is given Y and OB is equal to BQ. So this angle will also be Y. Okay. So angle BOQ and angle BQO will be Y. Okay. And this angle is Y, this angle is Y, so this angle will be a 180 minus 2Y, because sum of angle of triangle is just 180. So other two angles are Y and Y, so OBQ will be a 180 minus 2Y. And this angle will be a, because summation of this angle and this angle is 180, so this angle ABO plus OBQ will be equal to 180 degree, and OBQ we have determined that is 180 minus 2Y. So angle ABO will be a 2Y. So this angle is 2Y. So as BO is radius, AO is also radius, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. So angle ABO will be equal to angle OAB or BAO, and this angle and this is 2Y, because this is 2Y, this is 2Y. So similarly we can find out this angle, because from the sum of angles of triangles. So this is 2Y, this is 2Y, so this will be a 180 minus 4Y. 2Y plus 2Y, 4Y, subtract from 180, it is 180 minus 4Y. Okay. So now this angle X, this angle and this angle will be a 180. Angle AOP, angle AOB and angle BOQ will be 180. And this angle is Y, this is X. So and this angle is 180 minus 4Y. So from this we can find out the relationship between X and Y. So X will be equal to 3Y. Okay. So answer is option C. So now this angle is 180 minus 4Y. You know that this angle will be half of this. For question number 100, half of AOB will be equal to this angle ACB. So angle ACB will be here 1 by 2, 180 minus 4Y, and Y value is given as 15, so angle ACB will be 6. So answer is option B.